He says hi. Go away. Go away. Go away. No, don't you laugh.
Chicken will flap about and they'll run after it.
Coming after you.
I bet you watch them.
He's coming for you, Josh.
Mike! You got a snake on! You got a snake on! Mike! Oh, don't move, bro! Get the snake! Get the snake! Get the snake, Julia! Get the snake, Julia! Get the snake! Get the snake, bro!
Oh, he's... I don't
know. Oh my gosh. Ah! You hold it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
Oh! Get away.
Hey.
What? Dude, that's fucking stupid.
Oh, I got it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, give me one of the
Yo, no, move. Yo.
Thank you. Oh God, it's coming back.
Okay, yep, he's on the floor.
It's fixing to. It's gonna get you, Lily. It's gonna get you, Lily.
Let me see the fish. Is this your woman? That's what Larry's gonna look like. Oh my God! Oh my God! That was nuts. Oh my God!
Oh no!
It's in its nose! Get it up! Mike, I'm gonna pee my pants! Get it up!
Fucking head up in the air.
Right! Get me out, you kid! Alright, fuck, let me out! Alright, let me out, you fuckwit!
Whoa. I'll go in.
Get him! I can keep jumping over here! I can feel him! Get off of me! Oh
Grab it.
Grab him. Throw him in the water. Turn around.
Took a big jump.
Get him, like, go closer. Like, put your arm around the trunk. Go on. Go on the front side.
Good thing is you cannot bark.
Hey, buddy.
That's why you let them go, Al.
Alright. Get him! How's your knee? Oh, he's got his wiener out.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hey, get the paddle. He's going around the paddle. Get the paddle. Hey, oh! Hey, that's all right. Get the paddle. Hey, get the paddle.
Protecting his baby.
Go back more.
Fucking piece my shoe.
I see.